I seek your lordship indulgence in mentioning item number 5 of part 2, hearing list, my lord. This may come up after 2 weeks, my lord.
Item number 5.
5 RFA.
Where is the part 2 list? Oh, yes.
RFA 21 of 2020. After 2 weeks, my lord.
At a request made by Learned Counsel for the appellant, Mr. Victor L. Relte, with the consent of the other side. Do you have any objection? Do you state?
I have taken the consent, my lord.
You have taken. With the consent of the other side, the Learned Counsel for the appellant, Mr. Victor L. Relte, paid for an adjournment. Were allowed after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, my lord.
List matter accordingly after 2 weeks, as on the date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply obliged.
For admission, item number 1.
My lord, we have filed our affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 5 this morning. And my lord, if we may be given...
You have filed your rejoinder, I think.
I'm sorry,
You have
my lord.
already filed your rejoinder.
Yes, my lord, I have filed my rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 5. And if another four days may kindly be given to file my rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition of the respondent numbers 2 to 4.
So you have filed for respondent number 5 only.
Yes, my lord.
You need time to file your affidavit in opposition for 2 to 4.
My rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition, yes, my lord, of 2 to 4.
It's a rejoinder to the affidavit.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Yes.
But let it come up after the vacation, Your Worship. Because then after the vacation is there, 1 week vacation. In the meantime, they can file.
Yes, my lord. We will try to file it on Monday or Tuesday.
Okay. Yeah. You are MS?
Latlan Louis.
Hard MS Lanchan Chui, the Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. A.R. Malhotra responding for the respondent number 5. You are responding for respondent number 5.
5.
5 and?
Lordship, I am for respondent number 1 on behalf of my senior CGC.
Preparing for the respondent number 1 on behalf of Learned CGC for the respondent number 1. The other state respondents are represented by anyone?
Your Worship, the state is not there.
State is not there, no?
NIT.
Okay. Okay. Stop. It is submitted by MS So-and-so, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, that they have already filed rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition for the respondent number 5. However, the petitioner needs some more time to file the rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition for respondent number 2 to 4. The Learned Counsel for the respondent raised no objection. Let the matter be immediately immediately. You want a fixed date here or immediately after
No,
vacation?
my
will
lord.
do?
After vacation is
Immediately
fine.
after on same vacation, enabling the petitioner to file their affidavit of rejoinder affidavit for the respondent number 2 and 4. List accordingly.
I'm open.
Item number 2.
Please, Lordship, my lord, the instant petition was filed by the petitioners on 21st May 2025, but till date no affidavit is filed by the respondents.
Yes, what had happened?
Yes, Your Lordship. May it please, Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents number 2 to 5. Your Lordship, we are yet to receive instructions in this regard, and therefore, Your Lordship, if we may be granted...
The last occasion also you paid for time, most probably 3 weeks time was given to you to file your affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But till date you have not received any instructions from the authority?
No, Your Lordship, a reminder has also been sent, and if possible, Your Lordship, we may be able to file it by next week. Sorry, Your Lordship, after the vacations.
Heard Mr. Lalrington Nova, the Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard MS So-and-so, the government advocate appearing for the state respondents. So you are appearing for respondent number
2 to 5, Your Lordship.
2 to 5, and you are for?
Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1, similar
This-
prayer for respondent number 1.
2 to 5 and respondent number 1 or karne ase so and so. You have already filed your affidavit in
No,
opposition?
my lord.
You have not also filed. It is submitted by Mr. Lal Rengama, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that till date the respondents, state respondents have not filed their affidavit in opposition. Opposition, full stop. In that context, MS so and so, the learned counsel, the learned government advocate, and the appearing for the state respondents submitted that they need further 3 weeks time, further time to file their affidavit in opposition, as till date they have not received the instructions from the authority concerned, though the reminder has already been sent. In view of this, let the matter be listed immediately after vacation, as on a date to be fixed by the registry, enabling the respondent side to file their affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Matsaba.
Item number 3.
Yes, may it please the Lordship, I'm here for the petitioner. And yes, my Lord, on the concern of both the parties, if this matter may kindly come up as a fixed item on 9th April, if permitted, my Lord.
9th of April.
Yes, my Lord.
At the request made by learned counsel for the petitioner as well as respondent, let the matter be listed on 9th of April as a fixed matter. The registry will do the needful. Okay, we are listing it on 9th of April.
Yes, my Lord. Obliged, my.
Item number 4.
May it please the Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents number 1 to 3. The
For
affidavit-
respondents, 1 to 3.
1 to 3, yes, Your Lordship. The affidavit in opposition has been filed by the state respondents on the 9th March 2026.
For 1 to 3, you have already filed your
Yes,
affidavit
Your
in
Lordship.
opposition. Okay, do you want any, you want to file any rejoinder to that, or it may come up for admission hearing?
Admission,
Pardon?
it may be listed for admission, Lord.
Admission.
My Lord.
You are Mr.?
C. Zoram Cham.
Heard Mr. C. Jogamcha, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard MS so and so, the learned. You are government advocate, huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Government advocate appearing for the state respondent number 1 to 3. It is submitted by the learned government advocate that they have filed the affidavit in opposition for the state respondents number 1 to 3 on 9th of March 2026. Next para, Mr. So and so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that he does not want to file any rejoinder affidavit and matter may come up for admission here. In view of this, want any fixed date here?
Can we have it on after vacation?
Your Lordship, because the answering government advocate is on leave, so she might.
See, until when she is in leave?
Your Lordship, she will probably be returning back only by next week, Your Lordship.
So in that case, it may come up after vacation?
Yes, Your Lordship.
After vacation, any day.
Can we have a fixed date, Lordship, on 21st of
21st of April?
April?
Oh, 21st of April. Okay, by listing it on 21st of April.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
May it please your Lordship, I'm appearing for the state respondents in this matter. The notice was issued on the 3rd of February 2026. We are yet to receive pairwise comments. Therefore, Your Lordship, if I may be granted another 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition.
Yes?
No objection, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, yeah, still at this stage, respondent 2 and 3 have already been given a served notice, and with that regards, affidavit had also been filed.
And notice to Dusty.
Yeah, Your Lordships.
You have already filed affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship, 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Yes. Lordship, so respondent 4 is still yet to be served notice, and in that regards, Your Lordship, if I may be permitted to serve notice to respondent 4 by way of Dusty.
by way of Dusty?
Yeah.
So you are appearing for the other, how many respondents you are appearing?
Only for one, Your Lordship, state
Or
respondent.
one? CGC?
No, Your Lordship, that is,
One is Union of India or?
that is, Your Lordship, government.
Hmm?
Your Lordship, it is the Deputy Commissioner Longklai.
Deputy Commissioner?
Your Lordship.
Achha. Hard, your MS?
Valasandam, Your Lordship.
Hard MS Valencia, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also hard MS so the learned government advocate appearing for the respondent number 1. And it is submitted by her that the affidavit is that till date they have not received the parawise and instructions from the authority concerned to file their affidavit in opposition, and hence need some more time for the same. Full stop. Next para. MS Valencia, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted in this regard that they have already taken steps for the respondent number 2 and 3 through Dusty mode, and affidavit to that regard has already been submitted. However, she submitted that the notice is yet to be served on respondent number 4, and prayed to allow to take steps for the respondent number 4 through Dusty mode. Prayer for the issuing notice to the respondent number 4 through Dusty service is allowed. The petitioner will take necessary steps and will also file affidavit to that regard after service of notice. List the matter accordingly. How many weeks you need?
Your Lordship, if we may be granted 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks time. 2 weeks time. No, 2 weeks time. Like, let the matter be accordingly listed after 2 weeks as on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Part 2 hearing, item number 4.
My lord, my senior is on his legs at the moment. So if
Pardon?
my senior is on his legs at the other court. So if it may kindly be
That I can
possible.
understand, but one more thing I just want to say that today actually I'm leaving. So last day may not be possible on part of the court also to hear the matter, because carrying this entire bulky case record will be problematic. Yesterday it could have been done, or day before yesterday we could have heard. So for the inconvenience of the part of the court also, just we are taking adjournment. Yes, do you want to
In that
fix any?
case, Your Lordship, if the matter can be fixed for next week, because
Next
there's
week?
urgency in this matter, Your Lordship.
Okay, okay. We were calling for the hearing list in the on 30th itself, but none appeared for hearing on that day also. 30th of this month.
30th, yes, that's true.
But yes, but-
We had the notion that the matter will be taken up in the afternoon, so we simply waited for the afternoon session.
oh
on
no,
30th.
we thought that if any hearing matter would have been done, you just apprise the court that in the evening, I mean second half also, I was there, no issue. Anyway, okay then. I heard Mr. Lal Singh, Senior, the learned senior advocate. Assisted by whom? Assisted by
Stevens.
Stephens. Acha. So and so, and also heard. It was item part 2, item number 4. No? And also heard MS. So and your good name?
Laltan Hlui.
Latan Chui, the learned counsel appearing for Mr. Your senior is
Bilaram Enga.
standing counsel of
Ripans.
Ripans, no? Standing counsel Mr. So and so appearing so spelling Ripans. Full stop. Due to inconvenience on the part of the court as well, due to anyway, so and so appearing, let the matter be listed. Next week, any fixed date, can you give to us?
9th of April,
9th, there are many other matters, I think. Don't give on
7th, 7th of April,
7th of April is a working day. Oh, yes, working day. Yes. Okay, 7th of April will do.
All right.
Yes,
You
my
ask
lord.
your senior also to go for the hearing on 7th of April.
Yes, my lord. We got no
7th
problem.
of April as a fixed matter for you. Shall I record the timing also? At 2 or is there
No,
any?
no, not required. Your
Not
Lordship.
required.
If it comes as our first item,
It will be considered as a first item. For the hearing list only.
hello, Lords.
item number 6,
None represented. None represented on call for the item number 6. Leaves the matter accordingly as on a date to be fixed by the registry.
after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.